Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2010 M5. I got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Joe?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good.
Well, I'm selling a car that I
probably never thought you'd sell.
No, absolutely. I bought it several years ago. Haven't put too many miles on the car. The car's never seen rain, never goes out in the winter. As you can see, the car is pristine. You're not going to find a cleaner, low mileage BMW M5 like this in the United States.
I don't think so.
It's the
naturally aspirated?
Naturally aspirated. Last one that BMW made. The only modifications to the car is the BMW exhaust.
It's a Dinan Exhaust.
And other than that, it's never been touched. It's got brand new BMW brakes.
All the way around on all four corners. The tires look brand new too, Joe.
Yeah, it's got Michelin Super Sports on it that have probably 1,000 miles on them. And the car has been meticulously kept. The oil's been changed twice a year, no matter what the miles are, using the Castrol Edge, which is what BMW wants in this car. And again, everything, the spark plugs were just done. They would do a 36. All the maintenance for BMW is up to date.
Beautiful. Joe is a very particular guy. He's a tech by trade too. So everything's got to be perfect. Exhaust sounds amazing.
A lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, they are.
And I'm an old man, I can tell you that.
You're not so old, buddy. It is gorgeous. And look how crispy the rotors are. Never seen water. Amazing. 38,000 miles.
On the rims.
It's perfect. You can even still see the little nubs on the tires. Black interior. Let me put you on fisheye real quick so you can see.
And every available option that BMW had to offer. Heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the original stickers on the windshield that I never took off.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
It's the little things in life. He even has brand new floor mats because these had a little bit of dust on them. 38,036 miles. As nice as it can be. Original owner's manuals. It's got all the service records. Never been smoked in. Never seen the rain.
Never been smoked in. The ashtray you can see is brand new, the lighter.
Yeah, it's got window shades, roof, all the tools. Even has the window shade, which I've never seen before. This right here is a window shade, comes from BMW, and it's silver. It keeps the sun out of the car. Cool, I've never seen that. Full toolkit. Very cool.
I'm sorry, Mike, I closed it up.
Oh, that's cool. It's got the pull through for the ski bags, shades. Awesome. the block?
Absolutely.
Cool. Let's go. Light tint all the way around.
Yeah, this tint passes inspection in New York. It was inspected, I guess, in July of last year.
Exhaust sounds real nice. Not too loud.
No, very tame. But when you put it in M mode and you get into it a little bit, it sounds real nice.
Opens up. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. This girl will definitely put a smile on your face. Thanks a lot.